Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So in our larger volume tent, we can use a larger capacity dehumidifier. So this is the DH3500 inox. And this is a powerful dehumidifier. It's moving air at the rate of about 400 cubic metres of air per hour. And in this scenario, we've got it set up so it's causing a positive pressure into the tent. So at the moment, 400 cubic metres of air per hour are going into that tent, and 400 cubic metres of air an hour are going to come out of that tent. And the dehumidifier is going to take the air from in the room and filter moisture from it, and that dry air is going to be pumped into that tent and focused on what's actually wet. The exhaust air that the dehumidifier is extracted, the humidity it's taken from the air, is going to be exhausted, and that's coming out of here at the rate of 125 cubic metres of air per hour. So this is a powerful dehumidifier. It's using 1,500 watts, but this dehumidifier incorporates an independent air supply to drive its wheel. So we want to look at that and how we can apply that more efficiently than simply just driving air into the tent.